Sobrang lamig. It's 9 degrees. Sobrang lamig. Sobrang ulan pala. Like kahapon. Maghapon talaga umuulan. Tapos ngayon, hanggang ngayon, sobrang lakas pa rin ng ulan. Oh my gosh. Just getting ready. Medyo late na ako kasi supposedly 7:30 ako gigising pero 7:40. So 10 minutes late. Pero yung 10 minutes na yun, mahalaga yun kasi pag may makeup ko pa lang, matagal na. So, this is, it's gonna be, isa-skip ko na. Usually, kapag late na ako, I usually skip some of my skincare. Pero, hindi ko skip tong eye cream kasi kagabi, mga na ako nakatulog. Mga 3 na yata halos. Weirdly, kasi hindi naman ako nagkape. So, whenever I skip my skincare, I usually do this the Centella and the vitamin. Ang dami ko pang time mag-vlog ha. Late na nga. Well, ano magagawa ko? Ngayon ako kung nadaldal, diba? Anyways. Okay, I'm done. This is the final look. I don't know kung may nagbago pero yeah. I didn't wash my hair so I'm just gonna style it a bit. Pero kasi umuulan kasi sobra so feel ko sisira din siya. So, huwag na lang, magpupwede naman tayo. Okay, so home time. Time check, it's 5:45 p.m. Sobrang madilim na. Usually, hindi pa ganun kadilim. Pero since maulan all day, like sobrang lakas ng ulan, like binabalita na we are in state of calamity. Like the Christchurch is in state of calamity. Yan, sobrang ulan. Sobrang dilim din. So, usually kapag nagda-drive ako, lalo na kapag umuulan gabi na, I always wear my glasses talaga. This is, parang 2 years. Sa Pilipinas ko pa to glasses pero yung sinusot ko lang siya para medyo malinaw. Actually, nagpagawa ko dito ng glasses pero hindi siya sobrang sakto sa sa eyes ko for some reason. And this one is a transition one, yung parang nagiging sunnies kapag may araw. So, maganda siya. So, siya pa rin yung sinusuot ko. But I don't wear it regularly like on daily basis. Kasi nga, weird niya kasi malaki to. Tapos, pag gumanito, hindi siya, it doesn't really fit well sa aking mukha. So, yeah, we have dinner tonight. Kasi last day ng lola ko dito sa New Zealand. She is going back home sa Philippines. So, we are having a dinner, last dinner. Yeah. So good.
Baka maunahan pa. Hindi ba maunahan yung naka-wheelchair kayo? Ako sa wheelchair. Okay, sa'yo. Hirap.
Mag-anak naman. Sarap. Oo. Ang oo.
Cabinet Paris.
Ilang din. Nakakailang din naman eh. Like ulam. So cold. Anong bubus? It's just
Flight nila. Para tayo mga
oh my God. Look at what I did. So, naglaba ako.
But look how it turns out. This is a sign that whenever you wash your clothes, make sure na walang paper and stuff like, oh my god, I even left a lip balm. Okay. It means I have to redo all this. Pero hindi naman siya na like, nalabhan yung lip balm. Ay naku, like, oh my god, look. These are all my parang thermals under my uniform. Yung uniform ko, nasampay ko na, kaso pinagpagan ko lang siya. So, hindi ko na ulit siya iwawash kasi sobra-sobra na. Pero ito kasi mga black. So, halatang-halata kapag, so, wawash ko na lang ulit. Pagpagan ko, tapos wash ko ulit. Doble-doble namang work. I'm thinking, how would I get those crumbs out of the washing machine? Vacuum. Babacuumin ko siya and then tsaka ko lalaban. Brainy yarn. Anyways, okay, let's do it. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Oh my god, guys. I found a new artist. By the way, tapos na ako mag-aral, tapos dinner na din ako. Time check, it's 10:13. TikTok lang ako and I found a new artist. Like, ang galing niyang kumanta. Look, I'll show you kung yung video. Ito. Do you have a tendency to lead some people on? 'Cause I heard you do. Oh, I could fall, I could fly here in your aeroplane. And her name is Ellie Bank. I don't know how to pronounce it. Bank or Banky, but it spells like Banke. So, yeah, I checked her Spotify. Dami niyang songs, tapos hindi ko alam kung sikat na ba siya or I don't know, but ngayon ko lang siya nakilala. Ang ganda, like, tingnan mo. Like, I've already downloaded some of her songs. Tapos, may kaboses siya pero hindi ko matandaan ko sino. Pero galing, like, look, pakinggan niyo tong isa. It's called 9 to 8 Miles. 9 to 8 Miles yung nagustuhan ko. At saka yung Fantasy yata or Brighter Days. So, it's 9 to 8 Miles. Konti lang kasi baka like, look. Walking through forest and taking mud on my feet, dirtying my new sneakers. I don't know what that should mean. Ang galing. Like, okay, may bago na akong bagong mapakinggan. Ano nangyari?